Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super delicious and incredibly easy, smoothie banana juice. This dreamy drink is perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or just when you need a refreshing boost on a hot day. So grab your blender and let's get started. Now, we're keeping it super simple today with just one star ingredient, ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter your smoothie will become. How easy is that? Let's make some magic happen. All right. Here's why bananas are such an awesome choice for our smoothie. They are packed with potassium, helping to keep your blood pressure in check and giving your heart a little love. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin C and B6, which means you're getting an immune boost and an energy lift all in one tasty sip. With their natural sugars, they're just perfect for that morning wake-up call or a refreshing post-workout treat. Let's get those bananas prepped. Grab 2 or 3 ripe beauties, peel them, and slice them into chunks. This makes it super easy for our blender to whip everything into that creamy consistency we all adore. Now it's time to toss those banana chunks right into the blender. Secure the lid tightly, safety first. If you like your smoothie a little thinner or extra chilly, feel free to add a splash of water or some ice. Ready? Let's blend until it's completely smooth. This should only take about 30 seconds. And here comes the fun part. Carefully pour your luscious smoothie banana juice into a glass. Look at that gorgeous creamy texture, absolutely perfect. Wow! This is so wonderfully refreshing. It's like a big cozy hug in a glass. The banana flavor is outstanding, naturally sweet and oh so satisfying. It's pure bliss. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you love this simple banana smoothie recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more delightful ideas. I'd really love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy bananas? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Here's to delicious smoothies, and I can't wait to see you next time.